On the west coast of Africa lies the Republic of Guinea, a country whose economy chiefly relies on agriculture and mineral ore exploration. Guinea is the world's largest producer of bauxite, and Afcons is playing a major role in helping Guinea maintain its numero uno position within the international market.
Afcons is constructing the biggest bauxite handling plant in Guinea. This project belongs to Guinea Aluminium Corporation, a subsidiary company of EGA, Emirates Global Aluminium.
The extracted ore is mined from the site and brought in wagons, and through conveyor belts is sent to the Kamsar port, where it's loaded onto ships and transported to Dubai.
This facility consists of wagon tippler, are known as car dumper, stacker reclaimer, barge loader, with a 6 kilometers of metal conveying system. The conveying system conveys 4,000 tons per hour of bauxite.
It's an extreme engineering project, and stacker reclaimer placement and car dumper assembly were the biggest challenges facing the Afcons team. The stacker reclaimer weighs 1,600 metric tons, and two specialty cranes of 750 metric tons each were pressed into service for the placement of this mammoth machinery. With utmost safety and collective efforts, Afcons engineers and the team were able to place the stacker reclaimer in less than the stipulated time. The stacker reclaimer, when functional, will handle up to 10,000 metric tons of bauxite ore, which is the main source of aluminium. It's one of the biggest lifts in the history of Afcons. The next big challenge was to move the car dumper in the pit, which weighed a whopping 450 metric tons and required a detailed planning for the heavy lifting. Since handling such gigantic machines wouldn't have been possible by cranes alone, before finally being placed in the pit, two self-propelled modular transporters were called into service for the movement of the car dumper. The load had to be placed flat and evenly distributed over the SPMTs, while moving over uneven terrain, and the experts made sure the transportation was as smooth and precise as possible.
Car dumper is the heaviest in Guinea for the transportation and for the lifting. For this we prepare the good road with a big compaction. Because the pressure on the ground it is too heavy. We make a properly lashing because the center of gravity is very high.
The car dumper can handle 2 wagons at a time. Normally, a car dumper vault and a wagon tippler of such size takes 12 months to construct. But we constructed the whole thing in 9 months. One of the critical challenges of this project was sourcing of construction material. Everything had to be imported from India, Dubai or from Europe, even small items. This required a detailed planning. The other challenge was finding skilled manpower locally to execute such an extreme engineering work here. We brought around 400 skilled manpower from India and created employment for more than 1,000 local nationals.
Je me nomme Kamara Issatoubela. Je travaille avec Afcons, ça fait 8 mois de cela. Je représente toutes les femmes qui travaillent avec Afcons. Vraiment, on leur remercie parce qu'ils nous ont donné l'opportunité de travailler, de nous exercer, d'avoir la formation. Vraiment, on remercie Afcons. Ils ont réduit le chômage en Guinée. Et vraiment, merci beaucoup.
In processes where such mammoth structures are moved, safety plays a paramount role in the success of the project.
The project management consultant was Fluor, and together we maintained highest safety and quality standards.
As Guinea makes strides towards being a bright star in the African continent, Afcons is proud to be a partner in their endeavour for greater prosperity and continued growth.